ॐ शुक्लाम्भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करश्रशं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगदः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं हनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजः सन् वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്താത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, everyone, welcome to the class. So இன்னைக்கு Swami and Lavanya are not on today. So Shobha, நீங்க வந்து can you do 17? 17 practice பண்ண முடிஞ்சதா? Shobha mute ல இருக்கு. Okay. So Srilata garu, you can do 17.
I can do 17 also. Sorry.
Okay, okay. So Shobha and Srilata, you both do 17. And then Narayani, you and Vani can be students, okay? Today.
Okay. Can I start?
Yeah, start பண்ணுங்க.
उत्तानपाद नृपदेर मनुनन्तदस्य जाया बभूव सुरुचिर्नितरामभीष्टा अन्यासु नीतिरिति भर्तुरदा कृदासा त्वामेव नित्यमगदिक्षरणं कदा भूत् अंगे भूत् अलवा
भूत्
अंगे पिदु शुरुचि पुत्रगम उत्तमं तम. Oh, I have to finish. She has to go after this, right? Or should I?
No, you do the whole thing.
अंगे पिदु शुरुचि पुत्रगम उत्तमं तं दृष्ट्वा ध्रुव किल सुनीति सुतोदिरोक्ष्यन् आशिक्षुवे किल सुशुष सुधरां सुरुच्या दुस्सन्त्यजा खलु भवत् विमुखैरसूया विमुखैरसूया त्वन्मोहिते पितरि पश्यति दारवस्ये दूरं दिरुक्ति निहद सगदो निजाम्पां चाभि स्वगर्भ कदि संतरणाय पुंसां त्वत्पादमेव शरणं शिशवे शशांश आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्शन निश्चिदात्मा मानी निरेद्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्ष संतुष्ट नारद निवेदित मंत्रमार्गः त्वाम् आरराध तपसा मधुकाननान्ते कादे विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं तदेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वित चित्तवृत्तौ बालस्वतर्पित मनः क्रमवर्तिदेन निन्ये कठोर तपसा किल पञ्चमासान् तावत् तपोबल निरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्तिदस्त्वमुदयन् करुणार्द्रचेता करुणार्द्रचेताः त्वत्रूप चित्रनिलीनमने पुरस्ताद् आविर्बभूवित विभो गरुडाधिरूढः.
Third line, Shobha. On third line, त्वद्रूप छिद्रस निलीन mathe purastat.
Mathe, okay.
And yeah, go ahead.
Twatruba chidrasa nili namate purastad avirbhavuvita vibho garudadirudah tvattarshana pramada bharatarankidam tam trigyam nimaknamiva rupa रचायनेते दुष्टुक्षमाणम् अवकम्य कपोल देशे संपृष्ट वानसिधरेण ददादरेण तावत् विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्तनम् एनम् आभाषदस्त्वम् अवकम्य तदीय भावं राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम् विद्युक्षुषि द्वैगदे नृपनन्त नोऽसौ आनन्तिदागिल जनो नगरीम् उपेदः ते मे चिरं भवदनुग्रह पूर्णकामः तादे कदच्च वद वनमातृदराज्यभारा
ताते and the last line ताते
गते च वनमातृदराज्यभाराः यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षै सयुद्ध निरदो विरदो मनुक्त्या तान्त्राय प्रसन्न हृदया धनदानुबोधाद् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोत् महात्मा
Yeah, the third line, Shantya prasanna hridayat dhanadadupetat.
Dhanadadu, okay. Shantya prasanna hridaya dhanadadu betad Tvatbhaktimeva sudrudam avrunot mahatma.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks. Very good.
Anne bhavat purusha nida vimanayato matra samam dhruvapate mudido yamaste evam swarup prutyajana swar evam swaprut சொல்லுங்க இருக்கா
Evam swabhritya.
एवं स्वभृत्य जन भारन लोलधि स्वं वादालयाधिपनिरुन्ति मम यौकान् श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Okay.
श्रीमन्नारायणीये सप्तदशं दशकं ध्रुवचरितवर्णनं श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. उत्तानपादनुपतेर्मनुनन्दनस्य जाया बभूव सुरुचिर्नितरामपीष्टा अन्या सुनीतिरिति भर्तुरनादृता सा त्वामेव नित्यमगतिः शरणं गताभूत्. अंके पितुः सुरुचिपुत्रकमुत्तमं तं दृष्ट्वा ध्रुवः किल सुनीतिसुतोद्धिरोक्ष्यन् आचिक्षिपे किल शिशुः सुतरामसुरुच्या दुष्यन्त्यजा खलु भवद्विमुखैरसूया.
Shilata Garu, the third line, it's I heard it as Sutarama. It is just Sutaram Suruchya.
त्वन्मोहिते पितरि पश्यति दारवश्ये दूरं दुरक्ति निहतः स गतो निजाम्भां सापि स्वकर्मगति सन्तरणाय पुंसां त्वत्पादमेव शरणं शिशवे शशंसा. आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्चन निश्चितात्मा मानी निरेत्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्षः संदृष्ट नारद निवेदित मन्त्रमार्गः त्वामाराध्य तपसा मधुकाननान्ते ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसां त्वितचित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमनाक्रमवर्धितेन निन्ने कठोर तपसा किल पञ्चमासान् तावत् तपोबलनिरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्तितस्व मुदयत् करुणार्द्रचेताः त्वद्रूपचित्रसनिलीनमते पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूवित विभो गरुडाधिरूढः त्वद्दर्शन प्रमद भारत रंगितं तं दृक्ष्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायनेते तुष्टुषमानमवगम्य कपोलदेशे संस्पृष्टवानसि दरेण तथा दरेण तावद्विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनम् आभाषथा स्वमवगम्य तदीय भावं राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम् इत्युचिषित्वयि गतेनुपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिता किल जनो नगरीमुपेतः प्रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रहपूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमादृतराज्यभारः यक्षेन देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षे स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्न हृदयात् धनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणान् महात्मा अन्ते भवत्पुरुषनीत विमानयातो मात्रा समं ध्रुवपदे मुदितो यमास्ते एवं स्वभृत्य जनपालन लोलति स्वं वातालयाधिप निरुन्धि ममामयौघान्. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Very nice.
Hi, Rajesh. Rajesh, I have two places question.
Okay.
Paragraph 5th one. The first line, Tate Vishanna Kritaye Naharin Kadena Srinar, is it continuously?
Yeah, it's continuous. It goes continuous. Yeah. So sometimes if somebody is not able to take a breath, they might stop, but it goes continuous. Yes.
Gatena is undalyanga. Gatenas.
Gatenas illanga. Tate Vishanna Hridaye Nagarim Gatena Srinharade.
Okay. Okay, so no yes.
No S there, yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes when you're stretching that gatena and you're saying Sri Naradena, it might sound like
Okay.
S joining, but there's no S.
Okay, and one more place, fourth paragraph, third line, Santrishta Narada Nivedita Mandra Margaha, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll go back to, we'll go to 22 now. So 22, we finished up to 6, right? So I will say up to 6 and then we'll start with the 7th one. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Ajamilo nama Mahisurah Pura Charan Vibho Dharma Pathan Grihashrami Guror Gira Kananametya Drishtavan Sudrishtashilam Kulatam Madhakulham Swatah Prashantopi Tadha Hritashayah Swadharmamutsrajyataya Samaraman Adharmakari Dashami Bhavan Punaha Dhadau Bhavannamayute Sute Ratim Samrityukale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaran Strina Bilakshayan Bhiya Puramanak Tvatsmriti Vasana Balate Juhavanarayana Namakam Sutam Durashayasyapi Tadhatva Nirgatattvadiyanamakshara Vaibhavat पुरोबिपेतुर्भवदीय पार्षदाः चतुर्भुजाः पीतपटा मनोरमाः अमुं च सम्पाश्य विकर्षतो भटान् विमुञ्चतेत्यारुरुधुर्बलादमी निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तथा तदीयपापं निखिलं ह्यवेदयन् भवन्तु पापानि कथं तु निष्कृते कृतेऽपि भो दण्डनमस्ति पंडिताः न निष्कृतिः किं विदिता भवादृशाम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिरे. So that's where we left last time. So stanza 7. श्रुतिस्मृतिभ्यां विहिता व्रतादयः पुनन्ति पापं न लुनन्ति वासनाम् अनन्तसेवा तु निकृन्तति द्वयीम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिरे. So we saw last time about this Grihastha and a Brahmana called Ajamila, who grew up in a Vedic family, but then eventually at one point he got distracted. So he had got married, he had kids, but then he got distracted when he looked at another lady in the forest. So he then goes, marries her, has children with her, and then he also goes through all these unfair means to make money. And he had 10 children, and this last one was named Narayana, which, like Bhattacharya said, is because of the vasana of all the things he had done in his previous birth, he was able to keep that name. And then at the time of his death, he suddenly sees these Yamadutas come, and in a flash, he's seeing all these conversations happening between Yamadutas and the messengers of the Lord. And where we left last time was the messengers of the Lord are telling, let there be sins, but then there are atonements or pariharams for everything. And Ajamila has done such a pariharam. So how can he still be punished? That's where we left last time. So here they're going and kind of, that was their kind of starting statement, right? They're saying he should not be punished. And now they're giving all the backups as to why he should not be punished, right? So here they're saying Shruti means things which have only been heard. Nobody knows where it came from. Nobody knows who said it. So the Vedas are Shruti because nobody knows who actually. So Veda Vyasa means Vyasa just compiled it, but he was not the original, composer or creator of it, right? So Shrutis are things which are heard. Smriti are things which we know who wrote it, who compiled it. So there is Manusmriti, Narada Smriti, a lot of things which people have written or advice that they have given. So those are the Smritis. So in Shrutis and in Smritis, they have given Vratadayaha, they have given vows of how to do Pariharam. And I don't know if I said it last time, this is not as simple as going to our local temple and giving $51 because you've committed a sin, right? That doesn't get it done. There are very detailed penance and meditation and everything you have to do, and you have to really contemplate, you have to understand your mistake and all that stuff, right? So they've given all these detailed things. But the problem, like what the Duta say here, the problem with those things are it may help you eradicate or maybe reduce the intensity of some of your sins, but it doesn't help you stop from committing it again. So that's what we discussed last time. I gave the example of that elephant, right? So here, and then they're saying Ananta Seva. So devotion to Lord Ananta or Vishnu itself, the devotion to Ananta is the only one which will Nikruntati Dvayim, both, right? It is going to eliminate your sins as well as prevent you from committing more sins. And that's what Ajamela has done. Iti Prabho Tvatpurusha Bhabashire. So Shruti Smritibhyam Vihita Vratadayaha, comma, Punanti Papam Na Lunanti Vasanam. Ananta Seva Tu Nikrintati Dvayim. Put a im at the end of that line and a comma. Dvayim, comma. So next line, remove the miti and make it iti. Iti prabho tvatpurusha bhabashire. Shrutismritibhyam vihita vratadhayaha punanti papam na lunanti vasanam ananta sevatu nikrintati dvayim iti prabho tvatpurusha bhabashire.
Rajesh ji, second line, it's in the Punanti Papam, Nalu Nandi or Na Lunandi.
Na Lunanti.
Okay.
Harikarmchika?
Yeah, fine.
Shruti smritibhyam vihita vratadayah punanti papam nalunanti vasanam ananta sevatu nikruntati dvayim iti prabho tattvat purusha babashire. Shruti smritibhyam vihita vratadayah punanti papam nalunanti vasanam ananta sevatu nikruntati dvayim iti prabho tvat purusha babashire.
And the question that Anandji asked, if anybody is worried about saying nalu, like if you're worried about mixing those two things, you can just put a very brief like punanti papam na lunanti vasanam. So like a very fraction of a second pause you can do after na, if you're thinking that you're going to combine na and lu together, right?
श्रुतिस्मृतिभ्यां विहिता व्रतादयः पुनन्ति पापं न लुनन्ति वासनाम् अनन्तसेवा तु निकृन्तति द्वयीम् इति प्रभो तत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
Second time, 2 times.
श्रुतिस्मृतिभ्यां विहिता व्रतादयः पुनन्ति पापं न लुनन्ति वासनाम् अनन्तसेवा तु निकृन्ति द्वयीम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
The second time when you said Vanigaru, the third line, nikrintati.
Nikrintati dvayim.
Stanza 8. Anhenabo janma sahasra koti bihi kriteshu papeshu api nishkrite krita yadagrahin nama bhayakulo harehe iti prabho tvatpurusha bhabhashire. So I think this again continues, like what we had said earlier last time we had discussed was, and at that moment, how do you know you are going to say the right thing, right? So there is a old, I don't know if it's a Birbal story or something, right? Where the one person comes into the kingdom and says, you got to guess what my language is. And then he speaks like 20 different languages and these people are never able to figure it out. So when that person is sleeping, then Birbal or whoever that person was there at that time, or Tenali Ram, I don't know who, went with a stick and hit him when he was sleeping. And then he yelled out Amma or whatever, right? So he said, okay, that's your mother tongue. He said, how did you know that? Because that is implicitly like such entrenched in you, right? That will come out naturally. You cannot fake it out, right? So that's what they're kind of saying here is, even though this person has committed a lot of sins in this in his birth, and because out of fear, out of that compassion, he called out Narayana's name, And even though he didn't intend to call out that Narayana, right, and he has called it out so many times, that came out of his mouth, and that was only possible because that name was entrenched in him so much that that's the first word he uttered, right? So adanala, that's what they're saying here. So because of that, they did all the sins that he has committed has got wiped out, and that was the pariharam. And they'll tell more in the next one as well, but that's kind of the summary on this one. So anena bho janma sahasra kotibihi, comma, kriteshu papeshwapi nishkritihi is there, so put a ih to join, nishkritih krita yada grahin nama, double na there, yada grahin nama bhayakulo harehe, so put a visarga there and comma, harehe. Next line, riti, remove the riti and make it iti, iti prabho tvatpurusha bhabashire. अनेन भो जन्म सहस्र कोटिभिः कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृतिः कृता यदग्रहीन्नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिरे.
अनेन भो जन्म सहस्रकोटिभिः कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृतिः कृता यदग्रहीन्नाम भयाकुलः हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. Bayakulo.
Yeah.
Bayakulo.
Kulo, I think you said something else. The kulo, something like that. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Anena solranga.
Yeah, second time.
Anena bo janma sahasra kotibihi कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृतिः कृता यदग्रहीन्नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
अन्येन भो जन्म सहस्रकोटिभिः कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृतिः कृता यद्ग्रहीन्नाम.
That is a full the. So yada.
यदग्रहीन्नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. अनेन भो जन्म सहस्रकोटिभिः कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृतिः कृता यदग्रहीन्नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
Stanza 9.
Rajesh, a quick question. All the last lines are the same, right? Is there any specific reason behind it?
No, because in the iti prabho tvatpurusha babashire is your messengers, thus, O Krishna, your messengers told the Yamadutas. So that's why, and wherever it started, right? Like six started. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are the 4 messages which Bhattatripada has said. They give a lot of messages, but Bhattatripada has picked the top 4 messages. So that's why that iti prabho is coming at the end of those 4 lines.
Okay.
Iti means thus, prabho means O Lord, tvatpurusha means your people, bhabashire means they said.
Okay.
So stanza 9. Nृढाम बुद्ध्यापि मुकुन्द कीर्तनं दहत्य घौघान् महिमास्यथादृशः यथाग्निरेधांसि यथौषधं गधान् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिरे. So in the previous one, they said, like we said, right, even though he didn't intend to call that Narayana, but he used the word Narayana. So now they are again justifying why that's still okay. So a lot of you are mothers here. So when you had a small child and the child was sick, and then you go to the doctor and the doctor says, okay, I'm going to prescribe this medicine, just give it to your child. And then you come, you give it to your child. And first of all, the child, if it is a small one under 1 year, it doesn't know it is sick. It doesn't know you went to the doctor. It doesn't know that the doctor can heal, and it doesn't know what medicine the doctor prescribed, and nor does it know it drank a medicine and how the medicine works. But at the end of the day, by following that advice, the child recovered from sickness, right? So that's what the explanation here is. Even if you don't know how saying the word Narayana is going to help you, it doesn't matter. As long as you're doing it and as long as you're saying it, even though you don't have the realization, it'll not matter. And that's what they're saying is Yathagni Redamsi, just like how a fire can burn fuel, and Yathaushadam Gadan, how Aushadam, which is medicine, can actually help heal. And you may not know the intricate workings of how that actually happens. That is irrelevant. It is supposed to, it has a duty and it will do its duty. So similarly, they say, Mukunda Kirtanam, when you praise Mukunda, and Mukunda, the word itself is Muktim Dhadati iti Mukunda. The one who gives mukti or liberation is Mukunda. So that Mukunda's Kirtanam you do, irrespective of whether you understand it or not understand it, it's irrelevant. It is going to have its benefits. So that's what the Tvatpurusha Bhabashire. So Nirnam abudhyapi, or you can say it together, Nirnam abudhyapi Mukunda Kirtanam, comma, Dahatya Ghaugan Mahimasya Tadrishaha Yethagni Redhamsi. So that is the breaking would be Yethagnir Edamsi, but you say it together, Yethagni Redhamsi Yethaushadam, Yethaushadam Gadan. So add in at the end of that line, in Gadan, comma. So next line, Niti is there, remove Niti and becomes Iti Prabho Tvatpurusha Bhabashire. Nrinama Buddhyapi Mukunda Kirtanam Dahatya Ghaughan Mahimasya Tadrishaha Yetagni Redhamsi Yetaushadham Gadan Iti Prabho Tvatpurusha Bhabashire.
Nrinama Buddhyapi Mukunda Kirtanam Dahatya Gaugan Mahimasya Tadrishaha Yatagniretamsi Edamsi Yataushadam Gadam Iti Prabho Tvatpurusha Bhabashire. Nrinama Buddhyapi Mukunda Kirtanam Dahatya Gaugan Mahimasya Tadrishaha Yatagnir etamsi yataushadam gatam iti prabho tvatpurusha babashire.
Nrunama bhutyapi mukunda kirtanam dahatya gaughan mahimasya tadrishaha yatagniretamsi yataushadham gadan iti prabho tatpurusha babhashire. Nunama bhutyapi mukunda kirtanam dahatya gaughan mahimasya tadrishaha yatagnirethamsi yataushadam gadan iti prabho tatpurusha babhashire.
Stanza 10. Iti ritairyamya bhatairapasrute bhavat bhatanam cha ganeti rohite bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharhanne bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhatairaso. So having had this conversation, the Yamadutas then decide to leave, decide to let him alone, and they go. And Tvat Purusha Bhavat Bhatanamcha, even your messengers also, they also disappeared. So all of this is happening in a flash, right, in an instant for Ajamila. And then he thinks to himself, I was such a nice person. I was following all the rules. And then I got so distracted. I left my aging parents. I didn't care for my wife. I didn't care for my children. And then I went through all these unfair means. But just because I uttered the word Narayana, I got... Sorry.
Freeze it.
Oh, sorry.
For
Is
a few
okay?
minutes, it froze.
Okay, is it better now? Okay, it says my internet connection is unstable. I don't think anybody is on Netflix yet, but so anyway, so even though I just uttered the name Narayana by mistake, right? And he hears all these conversations. Then he realizes that if he had actually done in a more conscious way, then he would have become even much better, right? So anyway, so what he does is he then Bhavat Smritim, he continues to then worship you. Kanchana Kalam, for whatever period of time is left for him. He's already very old, right? So whatever period of time is left, he then continues to meditate and he continues to pray. And eventually, Bhavat Bhatteraso, your people come and then take him to the Vaikuntha, right? So he gets liberated. So, iti ritair, yamya Bhataira pasrute. Bhatair apasrute, but you can say it together. Bhataira pasrute. So that line is continuous, comma. Bhavat bhatanam cha gane tirohite. Bhavat smritim kanchana kalam acharan, comma. Bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhatairasau. So Nari in the bha is coming. This is the emphasis, the second bha, right? So that's what is there in this. Iti ritairyamya bhatairapasrute bhavat bhatanam cha ganeti rohite bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharanne bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhatairasau.
Iti ritairyamya bhatairapasrute bhavat bhatanam cha gane tirohite bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhatairasau. Correct sonina?
Correct. Yep.
Iti ritairyamya bhatair apasrute bhavat bhatanam cha gane tirohite bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat patairasau.
Itir yamya bhatairapasmrute bhavat bhatanam cha gane tirohite bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhatairasau.
Sorry, Aniguru, that is itir, long. Iti ritairyamya.
Itir bhatairap smrute bhavat bhatanam cha gane tirohite bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhatairasau.
The third line is kanchana, not kanchana. Kanchana, okay? Kanchana means little.
Yeah. Kanchana is not gold.
Huh?
Kanchana is not gold.
No. The kanchana kalam means kanchana in Sanskrit is like little time, some.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Thank you.
Stanza 11. Swakinkaravedana shankito yamaha twadangri bhakteshu na ghamyatamiti swakiya vrityana shishikshadutchakaihi sadheva vatalayanata pahimam. So the Yamadutas then return back to Yama and then they go empty handed, right? And then when they go and the Yama asks like, what happened, where is this person who was supposed to come? So they then recite the entire story of what actually happened. And then Yama then is telling them, Ashishikshat Uchchakehi. Uchchakehi means loud, or it also means like in a very stern voice, in a forceful voice. Ashishikshat. And in the word is also going to come in the next 24th chapter. Ashishikshat just means instructing, teaching. So Shiksha is teaching. Ashishikshat means somebody who's instructing, who are they instructed. That Twadangri bhakteshuna, people who are completely devoted to you, O Lord, your feet, O Lord, na ghamyatamiti, do not go near them, right? Because somebody is completely devoted to you, they need to go on the path of liberation, so they don't have to go through all this other means. So do not go near people who are completely devoted to you. Thus Yama instructed his messengers as well. So such a Lord, Vatalayanatha, who lives there, who kind of helped Ajamila just because he called you out in the last name, in the last minute he called out your name. Vatalayanatha Pahimam, please protect me also and eradicate all the ailments that I have. The Bhattacharya part ends this. Swa Kinkaravedana. It's Kinkar Avedana, but say it together. Swa Kinkaravedana Shankito Yamaha, comma. Oh, sorry, Yamaha. If you have is in the next line, remove that is from the second line, move it as Visarga to the first line. So Yamaha and then comma. Second line, if you have is, remove it off. Twadangri bhakteshu na gamyatam iti. Swakiya bhrityan. So the easiest way to say this would be The britya, you have a n after that britya. So make it just break it and say Swakiya brityan in Ashishikshad Uchchakaihi. Ashishikshad Uchchakaihi. So double she there, okay? Ashishikshad Uchchakaihi, comma. Sa deva vatalaya natha pahima.
Rajesh, one more question.
Yeah.
The second line, it's ending Gamya Tamidi, Tam Idi, or one stretch we can say Gamya Tamidi.
You can say it however you want. The actual word is Gamyatam iti. That's the split, but you can say it together Gamyatam iti. That's fine.
Rajesh, on the third line, this Vakiya Britya na Shishana Chet Solalama.
Yeah, you can say it together too, but what I felt is sometimes people find it tough on the line to say it that way. So that's why if you want to break it, you may want to break it at Brityan Ashishikshat. Because what we don't want you to say is Swakiya Brityan Ashi Shikshad Uchchakaihi. Like you don't want to break it at the wrong place. Another.
Okay.
That makes sense? If you want to say the whole thing together, you can say the whole thing together. But if you want to break it, you break it at the end. I mean, see, if you say it fast, you won't see the difference, right? Like Swakiya Brithyana Shishiksha Duchakaihi. So you won't even notice the difference if you say it fast.
Okay, thank you.
See, all these places, like what Anandji asked, Gamyatam iti. If you say it together, if you are like, if you know it well and then you say it together, you won't notice the difference at all as to how that person is saying. It's only when you're learning, then you want to break it so you don't make mistakes. Swakinkara vedana shankito yamaha twadhangri bhakteshu naghamyatamiti swakiya brityana shishikshadutchakaihi sadheva vatalayanatha pahimam.
Swakinkara vedana shankito yamaha twadangri bhakteshu nagamyatam iti Swakiya brityan ashishikshat uchchakaihi sadeva vatalayanatha pahimam. Swakinkara vedana shankito yamaha twadangri bhakteshu nagamyatam iti Swakiya brityan ashishikshat uchchakaihi sadeva vatalayanatha pahimam.
Swakinkara vedana shankito yamaha tvadangri bhakteshu nagamyatamiti.
Did she freeze?
Chakri sadeva vatalayanatha pahimam.
Vaniguru, I think you froze for some time, but yeah, go ahead. Can you say it one more time?
Yeah. Swakinkara vedana shankito yamaha swadhangri bhakteshu nagamyatamiti. Twadangri bhakteshu nagamyatamiti. Swakiya brityan ashishiksha duchchakaihi sadeva vatalayanatha pahimam.
Rajesh, the itihin mudikanuma, the second line, itihin chonna.
Just iti da. No visarga there. Just iti. Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Okay, so we'll go to 24. So 24, 25 is Narasimha Avataram, right? It's very famous 2 chapters here. And this week, I think Monday was Narasimha Jayanti. At least in Chicago, we celebrated Narasimha Jayanti. So some folks, people who know Uma and others, we are all kind of gone to the temple. And normally we don't chant, but this time because a lot of people now know Narayanam, we went and chanted 24 and 25 there at the temple. So in the chapters, 25 especially is a little bit of a tough chapter. 25 because again, if Narasimha such a Ugra Dashakam, right, Bhattaripad is trying to kind of condense the whole thing. So it'll be so that's why 24 and 25 I will send the meaning. 24 I already sent. 25 also I'll send the meaning ahead of time. So we will take time in the class to make sure you all understand this and are chanting it properly, right? So if you have any questions, then continue to ask. So 24. हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रिप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः हिरण्यप्रारम्भः कशिपुः अमरारातिसदसि प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वधार्थं मधुरिपो. So हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रि प्रवर वपुषा देव bhavata, comma, hate, and then put a comma after hate, because here the hate is referring to Hiranyaksha in the previous line and not with Shoka Krodha. So another we will put a comma after hate, comma, Shoka Krodha Glapita Dritiretasya. Dritiretasya, but you can say it together. Dritiretasya Sahajaha. So we'll do two lines, okay? हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रिप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः.
हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रिप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः.
Yeah, but you can see, try to say it together. Dritiretasya as one word.
Dritiretasya.
Yeah.
Okay. Tiripi sollutuma?
That's okay. Go ahead, second time.
हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रिप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः.
And the hate kapra, remember to pause, okay?
हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रिप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः. हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रिप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः. I think I was off tune.
That's okay. No, just make sure that as long as you're saying the words right now, right?
Yeah.
Rajesh, just a quick question. Hate kapra kama varuma?
ஆமாமா அதான் ஹதேக்கு அப்புறம் காமா இருக்கு, பாஸ் இருக்கு அங்க, because it is referring to the hate is to kill, and it is referring to Hiranyaksha who was killed in chapter 13, and in this case it was referring to Hiranyaksha who was killed in the first line. And Shoka Krodha Glapita are all the characteristics that Hiranyakashipu is feeling. So if you put hate and you say it together with that, it is like he's killing those feelings, but he's not killing those feelings, right? So in the hate kapram, that's why there is a pause. Okay. Hiranya Prarambha is there, so put a ich to join. Hiranya Prarambha Kashipuhu. So the ra that is there, remove the ra and put a visarga and a comma. Kashipuhu, comma. Next word starts with the a now. Amararati Sadasi. Amararati Sadasi, comma. Pratignyam Atene, comma again. So in most of the lines we'll try to break in between somewhere. So you don't have to say it together, but some lines you may have to say it together. So Pratignyam Atene, comma. Tava kila vadhartam maduripo. Hiranya prarambah kashipuhu. Amararati sadasi pratignyāmatene tabagila vadhartam maduripo.
Hiranya prarambah kashipuhu password anulya. Tiripi oru sollidrela.
Solunga. Oh, you want me to say?
Oru thadava the line sollidrela.
Yeah. Hiranya prarambah kashipuhu amararati sadasi.
Okay. Hiranya prarambah kashipuhu amararati sadasi pratignyam.
No, pratignyam. Pratignyamate.
Okay. Pratignyam atene tava kila vadartam maduripo. Tongue twister irukku, sorry.
This is stanza 1. So
Hiranya prarambha kashipuhu अमरा रातिसादसि
तदसि
रातिसदसि प्रतिज्ञाम् आतेने तव किल वदार्थं मधुरिपो
हिरण्यप्रारम्भं कशिपुः अमराराति सदसि प्रतिज्ञाम् आतेन तव किल
no प्रतिज्ञामातेने comma
प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वधार्थं मधुरिपो हिरण्यं प्रारम्भं
no
कशिपुः
so Vanigaru, you're saying im on top of Hiranya and Prarambha. No, both of them don't have a im. Hiranya Prarambha Kashipuhu.
हिरण्यप्रारम्भः कशिपुः अमराराति सदसि प्रतिज्ञाम् आतेन तव किल
No
प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल पथार्थं मधुरिपो
stanza 2 विधातारं घोरं सखलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाध्यैरनिधनं वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिकभवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन्धन्निन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्. So vidhataram and then comma, right? Pause after that. Ghoram sa khalu tapasitva nachirataha. So comma after nachirataha. Then you have puraha. So put a is to join. Puras sakshat kurvan, comma. Sura nara mrigadhyair anidanam. Mrigadhyair anidanam. But you can say that together as mrigadhyair anidanam. विधातारं घोरं सखलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाध्यैरनिधनम्.
विधातारं घोरं सकलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैर् अनिधनम्. अचेत पठिकणमा मृगाद्यैर्.
Try to say it together, but right now okay. But eventually you will have to say it together. So
okay. विधातारं घोरं सकलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम्.
विधातारं घोरं सखलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगादैरनिधनम्. विधातारं घोरं सखलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगादैरनिधनम्.
varam labdva dripto, then comma after dripto, jagadiha bhavan nayakam. So double na there. Bhavan nayakam idham. Okay. So you can say that together, but it is three words there. Bhavan nayakam idam. Three words there. Bhavan nayakam idam, comma. Parikshundhan. So in the there are three words again. In the next fourth line, first word has three words there. Parikshundan Indrat Aharata. Three words, but you can't break it that way because Parikshundan plus Indra becomes double na. That's why there's a double na there. So that's why you can't separate it out. So you have to say that together. But I'm telling you so you at least have the context there. So it's Parikshundan Nindra Daharata. You have to say the whole thing together. Parikshundan Nindra Daharata Divam, comma, Twam Aganayan. Varam labdhva dripto jagadiga bhavannayakamidham parikshundan indra daharata dhivam त्वामगणयन्
वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन् नायकम् इदं परिक्षुन्दन् इन्द्रातहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्.
Yeah, and I think you are still breaking it as Indra, but double ner Parikshundhan Indra.
Nindra சொல்லணுமா?
And if you say that continuously, you won't see the difference. But if you say Parikshundhan Nindra, then you can hear the two. But don't. So you have to kind of say it in one shot. Parikshundhan Nindra.
Okay. நான் ரெண்டாவது சொல்றேன். வரம் லப்த்வா திருப்தோ ஜகதிக பவன் நாயகம் இதம் பரிக்ஷுந்தனிந்திரா தகரத திவம் துவாமகணயன். துவாமகணயன், சாரி.
Twamaganayan.
துவாமகணயன்.
वरं लब्ध्वा तृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन्द्रनिन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्.
And the third line, Vanigaru, the pause is after Drupto. The comma is after Drupto.
Okay. Varam labdva drupto jagadiha bhagavannayakamidam parikshundranindra daharata divam tvam aganayan.
Yeah. Third line is
Rajesh,
not
ஒரு question.
Bhagavan, it's Bhavan. Okay. Third line.
ஒரு question, Rajesh. துவாமகணயன்னு சொல்லணுமா துவாமகணயன்?
Twamaganayan is fine. Just end it with in, because in general and the innuங்கிறது is like, it's just like in the shoulder, the flow that you are seeing, you end up saying that, right? Just for the musical flow for that purpose only.
But by
Twamaganayan
Twamaganayan
is fine.
And also one more question about the Parikshundan Nindran ஒன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அப்புறம் தகரத்த திவம்னு வந்து தனியா.
It's because it's Parikshundan Nindrat it aharata divam.
So
okay.
The whole
so that's what I'm saying. That whole word you have to say it together. You cannot break it because
break it.
And the double knee, if your four is following Sanskrit, the double knee that's a breaking point is in the middle of that. Adhe mari and the Nindra Daharatal and the is the in between the is the breaking point. It's it plus a.
It plus a. Okay.
So that's why you cannot break this.
It.
Yeah, you cannot break this
so
one.
Parikshundan Nindra Daharata Divam.
Yeah, just say it in one shot, you'll be fine. Yeah. Yeah, because wherever you are able to break it, I'm calling it out, right? Generally. So stanza 3. Nihantum tvam bhuyah thava padamavaptasya charipoho bahirdrishterantar hridaye sukshmavapusha nadannuchaihi tatrapya kila bhuvanante cha mrigayanne bhiya yatam matva sakhalujita kashi nibavrite. Nihantum tvam bhuyaha. So if you have a is there, remove that is and put a visarga and then a comma. Bhuyaha tava padam avaptasya. Okay, but you say it together. Padam avaptasya cha ripoho. So put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Ripoho. So next line on top of ba, if you have a ir, then remove that ir out. So next line would be bahir drishte. So the next word is drishter antar dhadita. Okay, bahir drishter antar dhadita, but in the drishter antar you can say it together. Okay, so bahir drishter antar dhadita hridaye sukshma vapusha. So that whole line is together, no pause in that line. Nihantum tvam bhuyah tava padamavaptasya charipoho bahirdrishterantar hridaye sukshma vapusha.
Nihantum tvam bhuyah tava padam avaptasya charipoho. Ripoho, correct?
Correct, yeah.
Bahirdrishte antardhatita hridaye सूक्ष्मवपुषा निहन्तुं त्वां भूयः तव पदम् अवाप्तस्य च रिपोः बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दतितहृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा.
So on the first line, only what you said is correct only, padam avaptasya, but that is okay for now because you are just learning, but eventually we don't want to break like that.
Oh, சரி. பதம் அவாப்தஸ்ய சொல்லலாம்.
Because
இப்ப
when you're
வராது.
saying it, generally on the comma we want to stop. We don't want to stop at any other place, right? Normala, when you start becoming more fluent. So
निहन्तुं त्वां भूयः तव पदमवाप्तस्य च रिपोः बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधितहृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा निहन्तुं त्वां भूयः तव पदमवाप्तस्य च रिपोः बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधितहृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा.
So again, for now, okay, but eventually that antar, you don't want to explicitly say that. The reason I'm saying that is, the word is not drishter, it is actually drishtahe, right? It's a visarga there, drishtahe plus antar, right? So when you put that together, the joining letter is ir. So that's why it's bahir drishte, they put the ra there, because the ir plus a is a ra, right? So drishtahe becomes drishter antar. Okay, that's the Sanskrit Sandhi rules. We don't have to get so much into the details of that. But the reason I'm saying don't say Drishter Antar is still okay. But eventually you want to be able to say the whole word together. Okay. Next one. Nadhanuchaihi. Again, double na coming there. Nadhanuchaihi. Put a remove the is after uchais. If you have is there, put a visarga there. Remove the is, comma. Nadhanuchaihi. Tatraphyakila. Tatraphyakila, because the word there is akila, but it is merged with the other word. So tatraphyakila bhuvanante cha mrigayan, comma bhiya yatam matva, comma sa khalu jitakashi nivavrite. Nadhanuchaihi तत्राप्यखिल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् भिया यातं मत्वा स खलु जितकाशी निववृते.
नदन् उच्चैः तत्राप्याख्य भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् भिया यातं मत्वा स खलु जिताक्षी
Jitakashi.
Oh, Jitakashi. Nivavrite.
And then the first word, again, Nadan Uchehi are the two words, but it's a double na there. So Nadan Nuchehi, double na.
Okay. Nadan Nuchehi Tatrapyakila Bhuvanante Chamrigayan Biyayatam Matva Sakalu Jitakashi Nivavrite.
नदनुच्चैः तत्राप्यखिल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् भिया यातं मत्वा स खलु जितकाशी निववृते. नदनुच्चैः तत्राप्यखिल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् भिया यातं मत्वा Sakhalu Jitakashi Nivavrite.
So while you may find it tough right now, but like anything else, right? Practice and you'll get it. And you can ask your friends who referred you, right? Who have learned these chapters. And I'm telling you, once you know how to chant these chapters, you'll really start feeling this. Absolutely phenomenal feeling when you chant. Other than the 24, 25 and all, right? There's so much energy in those chapters. The continuous, when you chant it, when you get into that mode, you'll really enjoy it. But I know right now it's a little bit of it'll be a little bit hard, right? But like anything else,
நீங்க சொல்றது ரொம்ப true. I've been enjoying. நல்லா read பண்ணும்போது அதுக்கு வரதுங்கிறது ரொம்ப good energy.
When it starts flowing, like yesterday, I was just one quick thing. I don't know if you know Priya Arun. I don't know how many of you know her. So she's been trying to also catch up with some other chapters, right? And she's been practicing some others. And I had a 30-minute session with her yesterday, and she said like 5 chapters. And she messaged me later and said, I felt so good, because when you are thorough with it and then you are chanting it like any other things you chant, Lalita Sahasranam, Vishnu Sahasranam, Devi Mahatyam, doesn't matter, right? If you know it thoroughly and you're chanting, then you really start feeling it. But when you're learning it, it is going to be hard. And I would just recommend you take it as a challenge, because when I was learning it, people then said, oh, it's one of the toughest chapters, it is super hard and all that. And my grandfather, my mother's father, he knew the entire Narayaniyam by heart, and he was like a big scholar. So when he was coming to visit us, so like he was coming a month later, so I said, you know what, when he comes, my goal was, and I was 14 or 15 then, so my goal is to make sure I'm thorough in these 2 chapters, right? And then recite in front of him. I took it as a challenge. So I said this every day, 24 and 25, right, to get it into that mode. So like anything else, right, it's just a challenge that you have to take and say, you know what, it's a tough chapter, but I'm going to keep practicing this, but learning it is 25 is a little bit harder. 24 is still okay. 25 will be a bit challenging. So anyway,
Rajesh,
we'll
one
take
more
our
thing.
time.
Rajesh, one more thing.
Uh,
Something for me to do with my mother-in-law. So this is a good one where we sit and chant together, and she feels it makes her happy. So some connection to do. So this is also helping me too.
to motivate yourself, right? So that was my motivation personally. I kind of took it as a challenge. Oh, my Tata is coming, and I have to show him that I'm a great grandson, right? And because so then I took it as a challenge and did that. So you can kind of pick your own motivations behind these things, right? Anyway, so stanza 4. ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगतभवद्भक्तिमहिमां स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयि रतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्. So tatosya prahladaha, that it is not prahaladaha, it's not a full ha, it is only a half ha. So prahladaha, comma, samajani suto garbha vasatau, comma, muner veena panehe. So the ra that is there, remove that ra out and put a visarga and then a comma. Muner veena panehe, comma. The next one, replace it with the a. So next, the ra, we are again breaking it. So it starts with the a. Adhigata bhavat bhakti mahima. Tathosya prahladaha samajani suto garbhavasatau muner veena panehe adhigata bhavat bhakti mahima.
Tatosya prahladaha समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगत भक्तिमहिमा. ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगत भक्तिमहिमा.
ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगत भक्तिमहिमा. ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगत भक्तिमहिमा.
Sa vai jatya daityaha and then comma shishurapi and then put another comma. So if you listen to the meaning, right, which I sent as the MP3, it's kind of really telling. The reason we are emphasizing that is, although he was jatya daityaha, he was the son of an asura, and shishurapi, he was only a small child, right? Even then, sametya tvairatim, he had intense love for you, right? That's why we're kind of emphasizing that. So that's why the shishurapi, and then you pause again, sametya tvairatim, and then comma again. Gatas tvat bhaktanam, comma, varada paramoda haranatam. So that is, you can't break that word, so that's one word, paramoda haranatam.
The first line ku oru break varda.
The prahladaha, kapram we are pausing.
So Shishurapi ke continuous ah
Oh,
solrong.
sorry. Savai jatya daityaha, comma, Shishurapi, comma again, Sametya Tvairatim. So 2 pause in that line. Savai jatya daityaha, Shishurapi, Sametya Tvairatim, Gatastvad bhaktanam, Varada paramodha haranatam.
स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद हरणताम्. Correct?
So on the last word, right? Remember the word udaharanam, example. Right? So that udaharanam, example. That's why it's parama udaharanam, right? It's a big example, the highest of example. That's why it's paramodaharanata. So now you have to pretty much go till the paramodaharana working together. You can't pause the word in between. The whole thing is one word, right? Paramodaharana tham.
Paramodaharanatam.
Yeah.
स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्.
स वै जातस्य दैत्यः
Jatya daityah.
स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयि
Vani Garu, I think you're
गतस्त्वद्भक्त्यानां
freezing for some reason.
वरद परमोद.
Your audio
Shall I
is
go
breaking.
from beginning?
Yeah, can you close your video off for now and see?
Yeah.
And after Shishurapi, there's a
Savai
pause. So pause after Shishurapi.
Yeah. Savai
Actually, Vani Garu, yeah, your voice is breaking too much.
Tyanam Varada Paramodaharanatam. Shall I come back? Let me
Yeah,
log out
maybe
and
just
log
come back. So Revati, can you continue today instead of Vani? Mute level. Revati, you're on mute.
स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्. स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्.
We'll do 2 more and we'll stop today.
Rajesh, one question, Rajesh.
Yeah.
The third line, Sametya or
Sametya.
Sametya Tvairatim.
Yeah, it's not ya, it's Sametya.
Okay, thank you.
That's a fine. Surharinham hasyam tavacharanadhasyam nijasute sadrishtva dushtatma gurubirashi shikshachiramamum kuruproktam chaso idamidam abhadraya dridamityapa kurvan sarvam tavacharana bhakti vavavridhe. Surarinam hasyam, comma, Tava charana dhasyam nija sute, comma, sa drishtva dushtatma. So the first one is drishtva, next is dushtatma, comma. Next, like we said, if that ashishikshat that we said last time, which came in 22 as well, right? So same word is repeating here. So guru bhir ashishikshach. because it's ashishikshat only, but then because chiramamum is coming later, the ta becomes a ich in between. So gurubhir ashishikshat chiramamum. Surarinam. There the mute levels.
Oh, sorry.
Surarinam hasyam tava charana dhasyam nijasute sadrishtva dushtatma gurubhirashishikshat chiramamum.
Surarinam hasyam tava charana dasyam nijasute sadrishtva dushtatma gurubir ashikshat. அதான் ரொம்ப கன்ஃபியூஸ்டா இருக்கு எனக்கு.
இப்போதைக்கு for now break it as gurubhir ashishikshat chiramamum.
இல்ல சிரமமும் புரியுது, பட் ashishikshat வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டம்.
double she there.
ஓகே சரி, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் திருப்பி ஒரு சொல்லுங்க. சுராரிணாம் ஹாஸ்யம் தவ சரண தாஸ்யம் நிஜசுதே சத்ருஷ்ட்வா துஷ்டாத்மா குருபிர் அசிக்ஷிக்ஷத் சிரமமும்.
சுராரீணாம் ஹாஸ்யம் தவ சரண தாஸ்யம் நிஜசுதே சத்ருஷ்ட்வா துஷ்டாத்மா குருபிர் அசிக்ஷிக்ஷத் சிரமமும். சுராரீணாம் ஹாஸ்யம் தவ சரண தாஸ்யம் நிஜசுதே சத்ருஷ்ட்வா துஷ்டாத்மா குருபிர் அசிக்ஷிக்ஷத் சிரமமும்.
The first two are ksha, ashi, kshik, shach. Then it changes to icha, right? So that's, yeah, anyway, you can practice it, but that's, I just want to make sure you at least understand it. So she, ksha, cha, all three are coming in the same line, word. That's right. Next one, guru proktam chasau. So if you have chasavi, we have chasavi, remove that v out and make it first chasau, and then put a comma. Chaso, comma. Next it starts with the e. So idam abhadraya. Just for now we are breaking it, but you can later on you can say it together. So idam abhadraya dridami, and then put a plus there. So join lines 3 and 4. Dridamit yapakurvan sarvam, and then a comma. So you are putting the comma after guru proktam chasau, and then after chasau you're saying the whole thing together. Idam abhadraya dridamit yapakurvan sarvam, and then you're putting a comma after sarvam. Tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavride. Guru proktam chasau idam abhadraya dridamit yapakurvan sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrudhe.
இப்ப திருடமேவ iti
yeah, so அது வந்து, so if you have dridamiti apakurvan, in some books they might have just split those as two different words, because we are saying those two lines together, the dridamiti apakurvan becomes dridamit yapakurvan. Okay, so both of them are right only. It's just whether you're saying those two lines together or you're separating those two lines. That's all.
Okay, அப்ப திருடமித் அப்பா குருவன் சொல்லக்கூடாது, யப்பா குருவன் சொல்லணும்.
Yeah. Dridamit yapa. Dridamiti plus a, iti plus a becomes tya.
Okay.
Guru proktam chasau idamidam abhadraya dridamit yapa kurvan sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavride.
And the second, the first line la idamidam abhadraya.
Okay. Guru proktam chasau idamidam abhadraya dridamit yapa kurvan sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrite.
Guru prokta चासौ इदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित् यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरणभक्तैव विवृते गुरुप्रोक्तां चासौ इदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित् यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरणभक्तैव विवृते.
Sarvam kapran, there's a pause, okay?
Yeah.
Stanza 6, and we will stop after this. Aditeshu sreshtham kimiti pariprishthe tatanahye bhavad bhaktim varyam abhigatati paryakuladritihi gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyetyabhividanhe vadhopayanasmin vyatanuta bhavat padasharane. Aditeshu sreshtham kimiti, comma after kimiti, pariprishteta tanaye, comma, bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati. You can break it there for now. Varyam abhigatati, comma after that. Paryakula dritihi. Okay, so paryakula is one word. Paryakula dritihi. Aditeshu sreshtham kimiti pariprishthe tatanahye bhavad bhaktim varyam abhigatati paryakula dritihi.
Aditeshu sreshtam kimiti pariprishte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati paryakuladritihi. Aditeshu sreshtam kimiti pariprishte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati paryakuladritihi.
Aditeshu sreshtam kimiti pariprishte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varya abhigatati paryakuladritihi. Aditeshu sreshtam kimiti pariprishte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati paryakuladritihi.
Gurubhyo roshitva, comma, sahaja. So the next word again, it will be matir, maybe you can say for now, matir plus asyetya bhividan. That whole word is together. So that whole word you might want to try to say together. Sahaja matirasyeetya bhividan. Okay, matirasyeetya bhividan, comma, vadopayan asmin vyatanuta. Vadopayan asmin vyatanuta, comma, bhavat padasharane.
Rajesh, one question. Rasyeta bhividana bhivadana.
Bhividan.
Bhividan. Okay.
Yeah, bhividan.
Indiana bhivadan.
I'll just change it to bhividan. Yeah.
Thank you.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyeetya bhividan vadhopayanasmin vyatanuta bhavat padasharane.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyeetya bhividan vadopayan asmin vyatanuta bhavat padasharane. Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyeetya bhividan vadopayan asmin vyatanuta bhavat padasharane.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyeetya bhividan Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyeetya bhividan vadopayanasmin vyatanuta भवत्पादचरणे
Sharane.
गुरुभ्यो
Sorry, Charane alla, Sharane. Sh.
okay गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सगजमधिरस्येत्यभिवदन् वदो
Bividan.
विविधन् वदनोपायानास्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे.
Okay.
It is really a tongue twister now.
You'll get used to it. இது வந்து அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த 20 கத்துக்கும் போது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். When you look at the அதுக்கப்புறம்லாம் like the same people who were going through the struggles, they all like fly through these chapters right now. I can tell you that much, right? It's just a matter of time, just getting used to how to say it. Because
I have to practice this entire day, entire week to say at least 50% correct.
No. I think no. You just practice 4 or 5 times. You just listen to it. I'll send the recording for 24 today itself. That's what I did to the other group also. Just keep listening to it, right?
I will keep it as a challenge. We will do it.
No. You all will be able to do it. I'm confident. Because
I agree with you, Rajesh. நான் கரெக்டா நான் எங்க தப்பு பண்றேனோ விஜய் say இங்க தப்பு, ராஜேஷ் will say இதுக்குதான் தப்பு அப்படின்வார். கரெக்டா போன வாட்டி அதே தான் தப்பு பண்ணேன். So வீட்ல I have another person who's there.
Exactly. Yeah. And you can ask, you were there. Vasu and her husband Vijay also joined this Monday when we were chanting this, right? So yeah, I mean, so they all are able to chant. And when you go to the 90s, the chapters are very hard, right? Very, very tough chapters. But everybody is able to do it phenomenally. If you listen to the Parayanam we did on May 9th, and the 90s, like we went so fast. And these are the same students who just learned, right? They went so fast. It was amazing, right? So it's just a matter of time. It'll take initially, it'll always take some time, or first 8 weeks, right? When we go through this, it'll be tough, and then you'll eventually get it. So we'll end the class here. Om Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashadasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurpurushatatmakam Brahmadattvam Tattavad Bhadi Sakshat Gurupavanapure Hantam Bhagyam Jananam Kahena Vacha Manasendriyerva Buddhyatmana va Prakrite Swabhavat Karomi Yatyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayana Heti Samarpayami.